Hi everyone, I'm your instructor Mickey Josie, and I wanted to take a moment to pop around on My Open Math and just make sure everybody's aware of where everything is. So you'll see that you can message me here in the top corner where it says messages. There's the forum link there as well. And then you'll see everything due on the calendar. So if you click on group forum, you can go directly to the group forum. Your group forum posts are due by Friday each week. And then by Monday, you'll want to make sure you respond to at least one other student in class. Actually, from the instructions, it might even be two students. Okay, you also have an activity, so you can get to the activity for week 3 that's due on Friday. So these are the due dates on the calendar. Um, you can go directly from here. And then we also have RMPs, which are the reflection and practice. And so you have chunk 1 due on the Friday and then chunk 2 due on Monday. So all of your deadlines are Fridays and Mondays of the following week. The other way you can see what is coming and what is due is by scrolling down. There's my instructor information there that has our syllabus, has the drop-in office hours, also has a link to tutoring. And if you go to this tutoring link, let's just see what happens. Okay, you should also be able to go to virtual tutoring. So there should be online tutoring. There's the WC online schedule. But feel free to pop around in there, and there's some video links as well to show you how the tutoring works. And you can get tutoring in person or on Zoom, as I mentioned. Ah, did I lose my link to My Open Math? Darn it. Okay, hold on a second. Let me get My Open Math. Here we go. I'm back in the class. I'm in the student view. And so if you scroll down, once you do the bottom um, arrow down, it's going to show you each week. You have a checklist of items here. So this tells you what is due and when, okay? And then what your assignments are. So that's for week 1. If you click down here, there's a link to the forum, all the instructions on the forum, and then the activity, which is now past due for the first week. And then here is week 1 reflection and practice. So right now, let's just go ahead and look at week 3 reflection and week 3. It tells you that's starting Monday, October 14th through Sunday, October 20th. And like I said, you have your forum posts that are due by Friday, your initial post, then your response is due by Monday. And then you have an activity. And then you have 2 reflection and practice, chunk 1 and chunk 2, due Friday and Monday. So if you keep arrowing down, opening that up, you'll see all of the instructions for the forum. Now the forum is going to be I set it up to automatically grade. So you should receive 5 points. It's 10 points maximum. So you receive 5 points for your first post, your initial post, and then you receive 5 points for your response. The more responses you can do, the better, but the idea is that you would be interacting with the other students in the class on the forum. Then you have week 3 activity. This is going to be thinking about converting units. So if you click on this, you'll go through, you have 16 points possible. You will not see in the grade book, you will not get full credit until after I've graded it. So that's going to be after the deadline. I have to wait till after the deadline, otherwise I lose track of who has answered, but there's going to be several videos to watch and then questions to answer. So you have question 1, question 2. It looks like you have 7 individual questions. All of the open-ended, I have to read and grade those by hand. And then I am actually trying to, as much as I possibly can, submit feedback. Okay, if we continue to scroll down, like I said, you can navigate this through the calendar, or you can click these little arrows to open up the week. So I'm just going to close week 1 and week 2 so we can focus here on week 3. Below the activity is going to be the reflection and practice, and there are 2 chunks available here. And then if you want to get started early on week 4, that's wonderful, but you can see the deadlines there. Okay, and so for week 3, chunk 1, that's due Friday, is going to be a similar situation here. You have 11 questions. Anything open-ended is not going to be automatically graded. As I mentioned, I will be the one to grade those things. And then if you prefer to just go directly from the calendar, you can click on the calendar and then it'll take you directly to that chunk. Okay, and so this one looks like has 9 questions. And like I said, anything here that's open-ended, of course, the computer is not going to grade that. So I will be grading that. And then you can also send me a message if you have questions. What's nice about sending me a message here is that you can type up your question and then send it to me. It will actually send me the question that you're referring to, and I will get this message within my Open Math. But you're also welcome to use my Clackamas email, which is here, and send me an email directly to my Clackamas from your Clackamas account. We're doing everything on my Open Math, and then you will also see here is the grade book. I don't have a grade for the class because I'm the instructor, but you should have details within your grade book. Let's click on calendar. So again, you can navigate through the calendar, and then you can also send me messages within my Open Math. So hopefully this was helpful. Feel free to email me if you have questions. Remember, I have Zoom office hours. I also posted some videos from my Math 20 class, which is the class that comes before this, in case you want to review anything on, let's say, fractions, decimals, percents, geometry, positive, negative numbers, and statistics. So I'm here to help. Please let me know if you have any thoughts or questions about the class, and hopefully you'll utilize the tutoring center and my office hours if you need. And that link for Zoom is right here. And feel free to also make an appointment if that time doesn't work for you. Hope you're enjoying Math 98.